Hello out there, YouTube community. I have an auto mechanics how-to video today. Today we're going to show how to inspect a tire and find a leak. Ever since I got my car back from the impound lot back in November, there's a story on that, but I'll save it for another video. My left rear tire's been losing air slowly over time. I've had to keep putting air in it, so I've been waiting for the weather to break. All right, for the purposes of this video, as you can see, the left rear is showing 33 psi, the rest are at 35. I've already taken the liberty of jacking the car up and removing the tire. All right. Now, since I'm looking for a leak, it's also a good idea to go ahead and take a look at the tread wear. Okay, as you can see, the tires are fairly wore down. They are down to the wear bars. All right, this tire's actually been overinflated the whole time I've been running it because the center tread is thinner than the outside tread. And that's because the 35 psi cold pressure limit is too high for the vehicle's weight and the tire's profile. All right, I recommend running 31 to 32 in the summer and maybe 33 in the winter. All right, because as the tire rotates on the road, it heats up. The air inside the tire heats up and then expands, increases the pressure of the tire. Now, as you can see, I got something sticking in my tire. All right. Now, if it's harder to find the leak, because that one just happened to be right in view when I pulled the tire off the car. They're not always as easy to find. This is something my uncle showed me years ago at our salvage yard that my family owns. All right, you can take distilled or purified water mixed with Dawn dish soap, spray the tire. All right. Rotate the tire. When you do this exercise, make sure you spray around the sidewalls. All right. If you have a cracked rim, a bent rim, the sidewall can leak. All right. The purpose of this Dawn dish soap is where the air is leaking, bubbles will form. Make sure to check the tire valve stem as well. These can get corroded and leak. All right, now if the valve stem was leaking, the bubbles would be rising up. All right. Okay, and actually, we have two possible leaks. See how the bubbles are bubbling up? Watch, I'll spray it again. Now, where you see the bubbles, that's where the air is leaking. All right. While I'm on the topic, I'll go ahead and show you how to plug a tire. Just because the tire gets punctured doesn't mean it always has to be replaced. It all depends on where the puncture is, how much tread life you have left on the tire. All right, if you have a tire plug kit, which I just happen to have, all right, you can sometimes put a plug in the tire and extend the life of the tire so it doesn't need to be replaced. You will need rubber cement. All right, you will need the tire plug kit reamer. All right, and the insertion tool for the plugs. I'll give you an idea what the plugs look like. Just little rubber strips. Okay, and as you can see, there's a leak there. All right, so this tire has picked up multiple fucking nails. This does require a little bit of physical strength. With the way this is broken off, I should probably get this tire serviced at a shop. In fact, I might just do that. Let's see if I can plug it. Whatever it picked up, the head broke off. I may not be able to get it out. Okay, I got 2 leaks for sure. Okay, now, because the heads are broke off, I'm not going to be able to show you how to plug the tire, because I'm not going to be able to get the debris out of the tire to plug it safely. This tire is going to have to go to a shop. The rest of this video, though, pulling the tire off, spraying it down with the soapy water, like I said, my uncles taught me that when I was a teenager. I don't remember if it was my Uncle Rusty or my Uncle Steve. But I know my uncles are the ones that showed me how to do that. If you have any comments or any questions regarding tire safety or this video, feel free to drop a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. And always, folks, thanks for watching.